Today we're going to turn this blank wall into a beautiful display of colored triangles. Alright, so as you can see, I do have some of it done for the most part. It's not all done yet. What you will need, a pencil. You could do a triangle stencil. I actually decided to just make a triangle out of cardstock paper, cut it out, and just use this as my shape, my template to do my triangles. I will show you exactly how I'll do it, but I just want to let you know the supplies that you would need. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now the best part about tracing the triangle with a pencil is that you can always erase any lines just in case you've made a mistake. Now while I'm still drawing the finishing touch triangles, I have more than enough time to think about the question some of you have been asking, and that's, when did I start DIY projects? Now, I can recall it about 10 years old, drawing on my bedroom wall, getting in trouble for it, then drawing on my desk at school, getting in trouble for it, spray painting my college apartment walls, getting in trouble for it, to now, which I'm not getting in trouble for. I'm actually helping the world with brilliant art ideas. So, in all actuality, I don't think I should have gotten in trouble back then. I was just showcasing one of my many talents. But here it is. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Whitney. Sorry, Mr. Pine. Sorry, Coach Busher. But look at me now! Now, the triangles are all drawn and ready to be painted. The color scheme of the triangles are based on your preference. I'm just starting out with the blue. You don't necessarily have to start out with the blue. Whatever color you prefer is perfectly fine because it's your wall. And due to time, I'm only going to paint a few triangles because that's all that there's left to do. After we paint the triangles, the wall will be complete. Although this may look easy, it was rather complicated because the texture of the wall was bumpy. It's not one of your solid, smooth, textured walls. As you can see, that's why I'm using a smaller paintbrush to make sure that I stay in the lines. I'm going very slow, very intricately along the lines to make sure that it's delicately colored in. So all in all, it turned out great. Look at my wall. I even mixed some gold glitter with the gold paint to give it a more vibrant color. And I'm so in love with this wall and how it turned out. I hope you all are too. As always, click that notification bell so you know when I've uploaded new content. Give a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, DIY, Shay's Way.